lighten up, sugar. That's the first one. Do you remember that one? Lighten up, sugar. I love that one. Oh yes. I could spit on him if I wasn't a lady. My daddy always said two's company and three's an eavesdropper. You gonna shut up or am I gonna have to help you? And my favorite, you look as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. A little girl from Australia, from Sydney, Australia, who was an only child who moved to Canada with my parents when I was 8. And I had this funny Australian accent to start with that the Canadian kids couldn't really understand. And then moving from like the western part of Canada, Regina, Saskatchewan, to Nova Scotia on the East Coast, and changing schools a number of times, I always felt different. And with the last name that starts with Z, or Z as you say here, you know, it was like I was always at the end, always in the back rows, always like, all these other kids in my classes had names like McDonald and McGinnis and all this, you know, normal sounding names. And I was the only Z ever. And so we get a chance to really dig in and find out who Rogue is, who she was, you know, her origin story, what makes her who she is. And I could relate